Hello everyone. So this is not my usual video of step-by-step process of drawing or painting. I'm just sharing some detailing process of finishing this landscape drawing using soft pastels. As usual, in order to reach this stage of soft pastel painting, I made the drawing and a blending of basic shapes and colors. As for the grass details, especially the ones that are in gray shades, this represents the furthest grass in the back towards the sunset. So they definitely would appear much lighter in tone, just like the trees and mountains that are in distance versus the one that are closer to our view. So I used a darker shade to gradually create that contrast between these grass at different distances. But instead of jumping right to the darker shade, which is black, I try to balance them up with a dark brown shade, as in sapphire or burnt umber, and etc. Especially the ones in the center, since there is an impression of direct sunset ray on them. So to add more of the brightness, I have also added some ochre to create that golden look. So at this stage, you can see me using black to layer in the darkest shade onto the grass, which I mentioned creates the impression of the grass that are closer to our sight. And if you notice, I am not creating new grass. Instead, I'm layering it onto the pre-existing grass that were shaded in gray, as I realized that I do not need more of the grass drawings. And after that, I am just reapplying the shades that I used to create the sunset shade, as it looked a bit faded at this point of time. As for some highlights, I am using a white pastel to create that highlights onto the clouds as well as the grass itself. Some final layering with black pastel, as I needed the most of the grass field to look darker, yet maintaining that golden hue shade in the middle of the field. Some highlights for the grass stalks, since they are mostly in the middle part of the field where it reflects the sunset's ray. As for the grass stalks on the sides, I have decided to use white pastel instead, just to create that contrast between bright highlight versus the golden highlight in the middle of the field. A little bit of rubbing just to tone down those highlights. And it's complete. A mild looking sunset in a field with some silhouette effect of grasses. For more art tips, then I would recommend you to subscribe to my channel. If you liked this video, then do hit the like and share button. I'll see you in another video. Bye.